Hi, and welcome to Piano with Georgia. I'm Georgia, and in today's video, we are going to practice and play together. Included in this practice will be building hand strength with scales, arpeggios, and chords. We will review how to build those chords, and finally, we will get creative with all the information you know. I'm going to design this practice so that you can watch me, pause the video, and complete as many repetitions of any of the exercises that you feel you need. When you pause, also feel complete freedom to adjust your speed to fit you and where you are today. So hop on your bench or chair and let's get started. First, let's work on your hands and the techniques that we use as we build strength. Quick posture check, as your posture impacts how freely you can move. Sit forward on your seat, feet flat on the floor, level forearms, and elbow slightly in front of your body. Now, let's play through our C scale, arpeggio, and chord. I'm going to go ahead and play hands together, but if you feel any tension or if you can't keep the notes clear, back off and do one hand at a time. Right hand, finger 1 on C, left hand, finger 5 on a lower C. And let's play. C, D, E, F, G, G, F, E, D, C. Now, let's repeat and go a little faster. Your gestures will become more fluid from your wrist as you add speed. C, D, E, F, G, G, F, E, D, C. Keep your hands where they are on the piano and roll right into an arpeggio. C, E, G, G, E, C. Faster. C, E, G, G, E, C. Finally, let's play our chord. Or C, G together, and then add E. Fall from your arm as you do this. Use just enough finger muscle to hit only the notes you want to play. If you are modifying and doing hands separately, rewind and go back and do all the same exercises for your other hand. Let's go up 5 notes and do the same patterns with G as our lowest note. Here we go. G, A, B, C, D, D, C, B, A, G. Arpeggio, G, B, D, D, B, G. Chord, together or modified. So far we've played major scales. Let's play a minor scale. A minor, to be exact. Set your lowest note to an A. Scale first. A, B, C, D, E, E, D, C, B, A. Arpeggio. A, C, E, E, C, A. Chord, A, C, E together, or A, E, and add C. We've now given your hands a lot of quality exercise. Time to practice exercising your mind a bit. Let's build a scale using our pattern. Start on the note E. We go whole step to yes, F sharp, whole step to G sharp, half step to A, and finally whole step to B. You've just built an E major scale. Your chord is made of the first note, middle note, and top note. E, G sharp, B. Let's review how to make it minor. Lower the third note, the middle guy, by a half step. G sharp becomes G. And voila, we have an E minor scale and an E minor chord. One more. Let's do a tricky one. This time, let's start on a black key. We are going to start on an F sharp. Remember, sharps. Find your F, go up a half step, and this black key is F sharp. Let's make our scale. No letter skipping or repeating. Here we go. F sharp, up a whole step to G sharp, up a whole step to A sharp, up a half step to B, and finally up a whole step to C sharp. Now play the chord. Every other note is F sharp, A sharp, C sharp, a chord that is all black keys. F sharp, A sharp, C sharp. Let's make it minor. The third note is A sharp. We lower it a half step and we have the regular white key, A. Now play the scale and the chord. And the chord. Okay, we've exercised your hands. We've reviewed concepts with our minds. Now let's make some music. Let's take our chord progression from lesson 10. C major, A minor, F major, G major. These chords will all end up being made of white keys. Just FYI. We want to practice moving from one position to another without stopping. So let's go as slowly as it takes to move without a pause. Aim ahead with your eyes just like we did way back in lesson 1 when we were finding alphabet letters on the piano. Once your eyes see where they are going, then you move your hands and play. Then you move your eyes to your next target, aiming, then moving your hands. Step 1. Don't even play anything. Practice your eyes. Aim for C's. Look 2 notes lower. These are A's. Move your eyes 2 notes lower, F's. Aim 1 note higher, you see G. Aim back for where you started, C. Now it's time to actually add your hands. One hand first makes things easier. Both hands steps it up a notch. By the way, if this is very easy for you, feel free to watch, get the process, and then play on your own at a faster tempo. Alternatively, if this is feeling frustrating, make things easier by leaving out the middle notes of all of your chords and just play fifths. Aim your eyes for your first C position. Play your chord. Hold the chord. Aim your eyes for A. Now move. Hold the chord. Aim your eyes. Now move. Play. Hold and aim. Move. We can start to feel a rhythm here. Play. Aim. Move. Play. Aim. Move. Play. Aim. Move. Go very slowly to train your eyes and hands what to do. Then as it starts to feel easy and automatic, you can speed things up. Congratulations! You are playing the chord progression for hundreds of songs right now. As this starts to feel easier, you can do a couple things to make things more interesting. Add a repetition to one hand or both hands. Let's try this by playing right hand twice for every one time you play the left hand. This is harder because your hands don't match. If it's too much, just play both hands twice. Alternate hands. In some ways, this is easier as you feel like you're playing hands separately, but notice how one hand has to move while the other hand holds. That's a new challenge. Think of a rhythm you like and imitate it. You can use both hands or the alternating approach. I'm going to do this rhythm. Try it. And now, if there is a song you are really wanting to play, search the name of the song and the words chord chart. I guarantee it will pop up and you can see if you can figure out the chords to a song you know and love. Soon we will be getting started on reading traditional music notes on the staff as well as reading chords, but that's all for today. Stay at the piano as long as you can. Thank you so much for spending your time with me, and please like and subscribe to support free piano for everyone. See you next time.